Hi guys! Mangunguha muna ako ng manggang hilaw. Dito kami sa farm eh. Ito malalaki na. Malaki na ba to? Maliit pa. Ito medyo malaki na to. Ayan. 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 Guys, malaki na to. Ay kami ng manggang hilaw. Saka ano ba? Kulang pa to. Meron kaming bagoong guys. Bagoong ito. Pwede na kaya to. Ito pwede na to. Yan, yung malalaki. Guys. Okay na muna to. Tatlo. Marami pa eh. Pa iba oh. Kinukuha nung caretaker ko yung ibang mangga eh. Inuwi niya. Ito malaki pa to guys. Laki na to guys. Ano to? Yan, 5 guys. Hi guys, we're going to harvest na our mangoes. Ito na yun. Get mo na to.
Okay.
Yeah, very good, Colleen. Liam, bring it there. To the banana leaf. Ano mo pa? Dali.
This?
Yes.
Daddy, bring me too.
Okay. Okay, I'll see here ka naman. This one naman, the big one lang The big one lang, not the small one Not that! The big one! Yan lang.
Can I get the big one?
Okay. Put it there. Okay, now here naman, si Kelsey naman. Kelsey naman, here ka Kelsey. Here Get mo yun
Hey, you cannot carry me, Daddy.
Ayun Get mo yun, dali. Ito. Ayun. Ayun.
Look, there's a brown mango.
You can reach it.
Don't. I already get it.
O Kuya Liam na lang will get it. Kuya Liam, put it back there. Kasi put it back there to the banana leaf. Don't throw it ito ka. Doon. Ayun. Not the small one, the big one lang.
Alright.
Not that, Kasi put it there
I'm gonna fall.
Don't step there.
I got the big
Dali. Ayun, get mo. Ayun yung malaki lang. Isa, get mo to.
Alright.
And the other one there, yun. So big. Okay. Put it there na kasi.
How many mangoes did we get now? But the baby goats are already.
Don't drop it. Don't drop. Slowly lang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Go. There's 13 mangoes.
Liam na. Enough na. Later.
I can able to reach it, but I only
Slowly.
smaller.
Put it there in the bag. Not that. Not that. Colleen. This one. Oh, very good, Colleen. Oh, Liam, put it there. Put that mangoes. How about this? The big one lang, this. Not that, this side. Wait, no. This one. This. Yan, that one. Pull. Okay, put it down. The others are small pa. Cannot get pa.
What about the normal
Small
mango,
pa.
but it's big, normal?
There's
Dad, what about the original mangoes?
the small pa nga, oh.
The mango
The other
was
mango.
not yet. This was the fake one mango. This is not the same mango.
Not yet. Don't touch muna. This one, oh. Liam, this one, get mo. This one, dali. Liam.
I get
Oh.
again.
Okay, put in the bag.
Something went to my box again. I want to walk. What is that? What the hell is that smell? Dad, what the hell is that smell?
Smell. Careful with the ants, ah. There are many ants.
Dad, the big ant is the termites ants.
Eh,
Is this big?
yes. Oh, very good, Kelsey. Put it there in the bag. Okay, there's more pa.
What's
This one, Kelsey. Ay, wait. Ay, yeah. That one. Oh, something fell. The small one fell too. Get mo.
I don't need it.
It's okay, get it. Happy Easter, guys. I just finished harvesting our mango tree here, but there are 3 more that doesn't have ripe fruits yet. So there are still many left there, but I already took the big ones na, the same size of my palm. So these are the harvest, guys. Yeah. Harvested today, Easter Sunday. Thank you, Lord God, for all the blessings.
Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, happy Easter!
Happy sky!
We're going back to our home in Manila from our farm. We stayed 1 week in our farm during the Holy Week. Guys, this is our favorite halo-halo from here at General Trias. One of the best halo-halo, guys, ever. Yan. Okay. Let's see, like.
Yes!
Okay, let's eat.
Oh,
Hi guys, we're here at Starbucks, White Plains. Meron ako guys, sunburn, no? Nag-sunburn ako guys. Ikaw?
Nagtutuklap na yung balat ko.
Oh my god. Yeah. Ito muna kami guys. Babasa ako ng book. Saka we'll meet our families from Australia, from Sydney, Australia. Hey guys. They live near here eh. Yan, our family from Sydney, Australia. Si Tita Joey and Zoe, my niece. Yan. Okay.
The Schreiber. There was a baby one. The one that I carried. Colleen. Oh, si Colleen. The baby. 1 year old, 2 year old. She's already 4. Wow.
We're saying goodbye na to them. They're going back to Australia tonight.
You'll be in YouTube, Zoe.
We're going to upload this, ha? Okay, see you. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Okay.
Kami naman ako.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Ikaw sa phone.
selfie ka sa inyo po.